Bottom freezer refrigerators could be your new best friend if you're sick of bending down every time you need something from the refrigerator. They're designed to keep your most used things right at eye level while offering you a roomy, easy-to-organize freezer below. Whether you desire stronger cooling performance, smarter storage, brighter lighting, or a cleaner fingerprint-resistant exterior, today's bottom freezer models pack in features that make everyday living a lot smoother. In this countdown, we're looking at the top options that stand out for their innovative layouts, reliable cooling, and user-friendly designs. So if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, stay tuned, one of these might be the right fit for your home. Let's hop straight into the list. Number 7. LG 25.5 cubic foot. The LG 25.5 cubic foot bottom freezer refrigerators are all about providing you with space, organization, and continuous cooling without making things complicated. Right away, the large 25.5 cubic feet stands out. You get a broad, easy-to-navigate fridge section on top and a pull-out freezer drawer below, which makes accessing everyday goods a lot more convenient. Inside, the LED illumination brightens everything up so nothing gets lost in the back. The movable spill-proof shelves also make it simple to fit odd containers or tall drinks without rearranging your entire fridge. LG's multi-air flow technology and smart cooling are among its best features. These components work together to maintain steady temperatures, allowing your produce to stay crisp for longer, particularly for objects kept in the door that often warm up more quickly. The door cooling plus vents are a useful bonus, and since the exterior features print-proof stainless steel, it resists fingerprints, which means less wiping and more actual living. The built-in ice machine is trustworthy, and the water and air filters assist in keeping everything tasting and smelling fresh. The bottom freezer contains 2 drawers, making it easier to organize frozen items instead of dumping everything into one deep bin. Definitely a bonus for busy households. Naturally, no refrigerator is flawless. There's no external water dispenser, and it doesn't offer smart home connectivity if you desire app-based controls. But if you care more about powerful cooling performance, easy storage, and a clean, modern style, this fridge delivers exactly that without extra bother. Number 6. Hisense 17.2 cubic feet. The Hisense 17.2 cubic foot bottom freezer refrigerator is designed for anyone who wants a clean, modern look without taking up unnecessary space. Its counter-depth structure provides your kitchen a built-in impression, and the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel keeps the exterior looking tidy with no effort. Despite being somewhat smaller, the inside design is quite useful. The gallon-sized door bins make ordinary goods easy to access, and the full-width pantry drawer provides you with plenty of storage for snacks, meal prep supplies, or larger items that never seem to fit anywhere else. Inside the fridge, brilliant LED lighting makes it easy to see everything at a glance. No more rummaging around in dim nooks hoping to find what you misplaced. The freezer area uses 2 pull-out drawers, which help stay organized instead of stacking frozen foods in one deep, untidy bin. The smooth electronic controls are clear and easy to understand, which keeps things simple for regular use. There are trade-offs, of course. This model doesn't contain an ice maker or water filtration system, so you won't receive built-in ice or filtered water features. It also bypasses smart connection and humidity-controlled crispers, which some people may miss. But on the flip side, fewer accessories mean fewer parts to maintain, and the ENERGY STAR accreditation assures it operates efficiently without wasting power. Overall, it's a sleek, durable, easy-to-use refrigerator that focuses on practicality and a clean design, making it a fantastic choice for smaller kitchens or anyone desiring a streamlined, well-organized setup. Number 5. Whirlpool 22.07 cubic foot. The Whirlpool 22.07 cubic foot bottom freezer refrigerator is created for families that desire storage that actually makes sense day to day. Inside the fridge, the arrangement feels open and easy to use thanks to movable spill-proof glass shelves that help limit messes and make reorganizing quick. One notable feature is the humidity-controlled crispers, which improve the atmosphere for fruits and vegetables and prolong their freshness. There's also a dedicated deli drawer, which is excellent for cheeses, meats, and snacks that frequently get lost amid bigger goods. Cooling performance is another excellent point. Whirlpool's AccuChill temperature management system reacts swiftly to maintain everything at the proper temperature, and the adaptive defrost system only operates when needed, so the freezer stays frost-free without constant cycling. The LED lighting brightens every nook, making it easier to see what you have instead of forgetting items until they expire. And with a factory-installed ice maker in the freezer drawer, you always have ice on hand without extra work. It has some drawbacks. Just like every piece of equipment, there's no built-in water dispenser or filtration refrigeration system, and it doesn't offer smart features or smartphone management, which some modern kitchens might like. Larger containers might have to live on the shelves because they don't have gallon-sized door bins. Still, the general design favors simplicity, capacity, and reliable cooling. This Whirlpool model is ideal if you're looking for a refrigerator that keeps food organized, keeps the interior bright, and maintains constant temperatures without making things too complicated. Number 4. Midea 5050. One of those appliances that seems to adjust to your life rather than the other way around is the Midea 5050 Flex Convertible Upright Freezer Refrigerator. The totally flexible three-way convertible design is its most notable feature. You can use both compartments as freezers, both as refrigerators, or swap to a typical fridge on top and freezer on bottom layout. It provides you freedom to change whether you're storing up for summer, having a party, or just need more everyday storage. Inside, it's smartly organized with adjustable shelves, drawers, and large door bins that make it easy to keep everything visible and accessible. The 20 cubic foot size means you won't run out of room soon, and the frost-free system is a significant time saver. No more scraping ice by hand. It also performs smoothly in a wide range of temperatures, making it really garage ready. Because of its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel coating, it requires little maintenance to maintain a clean appearance. It has a sleek contemporary appearance thanks to reversible doors, hidden hinges, and dazzling LED illumination. Plus, you get a smart connection to keep an eye on settings more conveniently. Of course, with all that flexibility comes a bit of a learning curve. Switching modes requires some thinking, and it may take some time to figure out the optimal configuration for your requirements. And since it doesn't feature an ice maker, some folks may miss that convenience. Still, with automatic defrosting, variable storage, garage compatibility, and a good 2-year guarantee, it's a reliable, adaptable device that fits into just about any lifestyle. Number 3. GE 20.9 cubic foot. The GE 20.9 cubic foot bottom freezer refrigerator is designed for someone who likes simple, effortless, everyday convenience. One of the first things you notice is the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish, no frequent wiping, no irritating smudges. Inside, the LED illumination does an excellent job making everything bright and easy to discover, so nothing gets lost in the back. The fresh food portion also has a sliding snack drawer that moves across the entire width, which is quite beneficial when you need more space exactly where you want it. You don't need to consider trays or add-on kits because the bottom freezer has a smooth pull-out drawer and an integrated ice maker from the factory. The refrigerator also has superior water filtration, which is perfect for anyone who loves cleaner, better-tasting water and ice. The upfront temperature controls are straightforward to comprehend and let you monitor the exact temperature without guessing. For active families, the Turbo Cool option is especially useful when the door has been opened frequently. There are, of course, some trade-offs. Since its standard depth, it sticks out a bit more compared to counter-depth models. It also doesn't offer smart connectivity or an external dispenser, so if you're searching for those modern features, this one stays more traditional. And while it offers good storage options, some may miss gallon door bins. Still, with even chilling, helpful organizing, bright lighting, and a reliable ice maker, it gives all households what they need in a basic, dependable, and easy-to-maintain refrigerator. Number 2. Frigidaire Gallery 20.32 cubic feet. The purpose of the Frigidaire Gallery 20.32 cubic foot bottom freezer is to provide clean, contemporary equipment that prolong the freshness of food. Its smudge-proof stainless steel finish is a standout. You can touch it all day without leaving fingerprints, which keeps your kitchen looking spotless with very little effort. The refrigerator uses 3 state-of-the-art freshness technologies to produce the ideal environment for food, maintaining the crispness and flavor of fruits and vegetables. The inner water dispenser is a fantastic touch because it gives you filtered water without cluttering the exterior. The humidity-controlled crispers are excellent for arranging greens and delicate items, and the movable glass shelves make it simple to personalize the area. Additionally, you have gallon door storage, which is very practical for large bottles. Every shelf is illuminated by LED lighting, making it easy to locate items without having to search far and wide. The built-in ice maker in the freezer guarantees that you always have ice on hand, and the pull-out drawer keeps everything accessible. The layout is basic, functional, and easy to manage. Still, there are a few modest disadvantages. This model isn't garage-ready, so placement is confined to indoor settings. It also doesn't offer smart features or app control, which some people may like. Another item to notice is that it isn't frost-free, so you may need to deal with periodic manual defrosting. Overall, it's a well-designed, durable refrigerator that focuses on keeping food fresh, optimizing usable space, and preserving a sleek, smudge-free exterior. Number 1. Hairs 16.8 cubic feet. The Hairs 16.8 cubic foot counter-depth bottom freezer refrigerator is ideal for anyone who wants a clean, modern style without compromising compromising everyday convenience. Its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish keeps the exterior appearing pristine with little wiping, which is perfect for busy households. Since its counter depth, it rests virtually flush with your cabinets, giving your kitchen the built-in seamless effect. Additionally, because it is 33 inches wide, it can easily fit into smaller locations that larger models cannot. Bright LED lighting inside makes everything visible, including the little things that are typically hidden in the back. The edge-to-edge shelves give you extra usable room on every level, and the changeable glass shelves let you arrange the interior as you choose. There is also a quick cool and quick freeze feature, excellent for chilling drinks fast or keeping in freshness as you load new products. Electronic temperature controls make it straightforward to fine-tune the settings without guessing. The freezer contains many compartments to keep things organized, and it's frost-free, which means no more dealing with frosty accumulation. It's also ice maker ready if you wish to add one later, offering you options. Of course, there are a few constraints. It doesn't have built-in water filtration or an internal dispenser, which some people may miss. Additionally, the freezer door is not reversible, and smart features like gallon-sized door bins are not included. But for its clean style, space-saving depth, consistent cooling performance, and versatile storage layout, this fridge provides a lot of modern convenience in a compact, elegant package. And there you have it, the greatest bottom freezer refrigerators that genuinely make everyday living easier. Whether you desire flexible storage, brighter interiors, greater cooling, or that clean, modern design, each model brings something special to the table. It's your chance to select the refrigerator that complements your style, habit, and available space. If this helped you narrow things down, don't forget to hit the like button, post a comment, and share your ideas. And for more honest breakdowns and useful recommendations much like this, make sure you subscribe to the Legit Pick channel so you never miss a new pick. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the future reviews.